Did you know that castor seeds, once just known for their aroma in traditional use, are now being used by some women as a form of natural family planning? Yes, castor seeds are believed to work as a contraceptive. But before you take them, you need to hear this. There are serious side effects that could come with taking castor seed, especially if you take them the wrong way. Many women, especially nursing mothers, use castor seeds as a natural contraceptive. Studies and user reports say that taking 2 seeds may prevent pregnancy for up to 6 months. It sounds like a simple natural solution. Here's the truth. Not everyone reacts the same way, and misusing it can be dangerous. Some women take the 7 seeds instead of the recommended 2, hoping to be extra safe. But this often leads to vomiting, diarrhea, weakness, and stomach pain. Why? Because castor seeds contain ricin, a highly toxic substance if consumed in high amounts. One user, who took castor seeds, just 2 seeds, said she experienced severe stomach discomfort. Another woman said it caused her to menstruate 3 times in a month. That's your body saying, "This isn't working for me." One nursing mother shared that after taking castor seeds, both she and her baby had diarrhea. That's concerning, and here is our advice. Do not use castor seeds while breastfeeding. Instead, consider castor oil or neem oil as a safer alternative lubricant, but you shouldn't swallow them. To make sure you do not experience these side effects, here is what you should do. First, if you have used castor seeds already and are having side effects, stop using them immediately. If symptoms last more than 3 days, see a doctor. Second, follow the correct dosage, never more than 2 seeds in 6 months. Third, explore other natural contraceptives like neem, which may offer fewer risks. Castor seeds can be powerful, but power comes with responsibility. Before you use any natural remedy, especially for family planning, do your research, consult a professional, and listen to your body. Your health and your body's health are too precious to gamble with. Have you ever used castor seeds? Share your experience below. For more health-based insights, subscribe and turn on the bell.